I rise today and I'm going to cast a vote today that I never, ever expected I'd have to cast. I came here to Sacramento as a healthcare provider to help improve the health of people in California, and I never expected to have to make a choice like this, to protect the ability of our cities to raise money for infrastructure, public safety, as a trade-off to an industry that wants to perpetuate obesity, dental decay, diabetes. There are words that I've seen in the press to describe this. Extortion. Extortion is defined as the practice of obtaining something through force or threats. That's what's happening this week. And the bad actors are the soda industry. And the way they're doing this is absolutely outrageous. When I was in the city council in the city of Healdsburg, as the mayor, we were the first city in the state to try to raise the smoking age to 21 to protect health for people. And we found out that we couldn't do that because state law preempted us from doing that. Now, local jurisdictions throughout California, jurisdictions throughout the United States have been raising money and fighting for soda taxes. And in 2014, it started to work. And guess what? Consumption is going down. And it's terrified the industry. So what this measure does is it brings full circle. It brings that issue back to this body, takes it out of the hands of the locals. We're creating the new tobacco here today, but it's called the soda industry. And everything's going to have to go through here. So not only are they going to continue to make outrageous profits, because it's a very profitable industry, but they're going to be able to concentrate all their resources on this body and the Senate and the governor's office to prevent us from doing what's right. People come to us all the time to talk about the rising cost of health care. And yet, we're perpetuating that. We can't get the money we need through our process to give education, enough education on diabetes prevention. But yet we spend billions of dollars on treatment for diabetes and obesity and heart disease. The hypocrisy of this is absolutely appalling. They may win the battle today, but they will not win the war. Be careful what you wish for. You will galvanize people like those 25 students from Stockton who came in here today to speak their mind. We will win the war. And we will be able to protect people from and protect their health and reduce the cost to the state for this. I challenge the soda industry, who has compiled millions of dollars into this campaign initiative account, to give it back to communities for public health programs. Don't stick it back in your pockets and don't give it back to your shareholders. Give it back to communities, because you were going to use that money to try to disenfranchise people. I'll vote for this today very, very regretfully. This is a really sad day for me personally, but I will not quit fighting.